هادو الأميرات ديالي، لالا أمنية ولالا أسيل، الغزالات العزاز. أمنية غادي تهضر لنا على هاد الراسطة اللي دارت جديدة، عندها عشق في الراسطة هادي، تاني مرة كتصوبها في حياتها. مرة جبتها واحد الأفارقة، وهاد المرة هادي واحد بنيتها ما شاء الله كتخدمها غزالة. غير أنا مبغيتش ندير الأمنية الدهنة بزاف باش ما تيبسلهاش شعرها ويبقى يتقص في الشعر ديالي، يبقى يتهرس أو يبقى يدقدق بحال هكا يبقى يطير هكا أحسن.
Hey guys, it's your girl Amnia and Asil, and today we are gonna be sharing with you our braids. She has only two. Let them see. She has only two at the same time pigtails, and I have the whole thing. I have a braid of 8. And I have two braids that are stuck with my glasses. Here they are. I have two here that are stuck with my glasses. And she has pigtails at the same time braids. Look. And this I love these braids so much. The last time I had them just straight, but this time I had them like this. I have them like this in this style. So this is my second time doing braids. The first time was African people, and the second time it was this girl. She is this girl, and she is so nice. And I'm sorry it's gonna be a small video. So bye, guys.